Welcome to Firethorne Apartments in St. Charles. We're doing a walkthrough of apartment 1330L, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice wood-burning fireplace, patio, or I should say balcony, lots of room for a couple chairs and a table. Generous living room. Obviously everything is hooked up for cable, whether you use internet or cable TV. As we walk back towards the entrance, yes, I've taken off my shoes to keep the carpet clean. Here's the most important door. Side-by-side, full-size washer-dryer. Entry closet right beside it. And now we're going to take a look at the good-sized dining area. Lots of room for a table for 6. Kitchen, very nice contemporary design, nice wood, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, fridge, stove, and dishwasher, of course, disposal in the sink. And at the end of the kitchen, we have a pantry, good size shelving. And as we walk down towards the first bathroom, which is just down the hallway here, nice counter space. And then here we have a full-size shower and bathtub. A little further down the hall on the left, we have the linen closet. Nice and deep. And the second bedroom, 10 by 11. Nice mirror doors towards, at the end, the closet is quite a bit bigger than the doors suggest. Nice and bright. As we walk back out, we'll go into the principal bedroom, and let me remind you, yes, central heat, central air. And how's this for a large bedroom? 14 by 12 with ensuite. Great size walk-in closet. Lots of hanger space. And here's your own private second bath with shower. Fully sprinklerized. So we're at 1330 Brook Street in St. Charles, very close to Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, McDonald's, near the corner of Randall and Main Street, close to my favorite store, Costco. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show you this beauty ready for immediate occupancy.